Guys, welcome back. I'm your friend Nawaf and you're watching Shipmate Nawaf Kazi. Guys, today's video is regarding financial planning for seafarers once they are back home so that they can enjoy their vacations with their loved ones and family and join back soon without any hassles. This video is addressing specially the financial planning required during the times of pandemic which has affected worldwide. So guys, let us quickly begin this video. Point number 1. How much money do you have in your bank account? Guys, last couple of months you must be on board and you have earned certain wages, okay? So these wages are coming to an NRE account and you might have an NRO account as well. So write down on a piece of paper on today's date how much money you have in your account. Point number 2. What is your planned vacation period? Everyone has their own planning for their vacations. Whatever is your planning, multiply it by a corona factor of 1.5 so that if you are planned for a vacation of 4 months, make all your financial planning basis 4 into 1.5, that is 6 months. Why is this required? Because guys, you all are aware that you have done extended contracts on board and you came home. Similarly, the chances are high that the colleagues who are on board now, they might also be required to do extended contracts and their sign off might get delayed, resulting in your sign on getting delayed. So that is why we have to consider this corona factor of 1.5. So for this video purpose, we are taking a vacation period, calculated vacation period of 6 months. Point number 3. Any additional income if you have. Guys, some guys might be having a commercial property or a residential property which yields them monthly income. If you have such an income source when you are not sailing, write it down and multiply it by month of your vacation. So basically we are trying to calculate the income and for the period of our vacation. So first income is our fixed income which we have earned during last time when we were on board, and this is already in our banks. Other than that, every month if we have some rents coming in, this is going to add into our income and we will put it into our big income, that is the income from the bank. That will give us a total figure. Point number 4 guys is very important, that is the expenses. Sit down properly, take a piece of paper, take your laptop or computer and calculate all your expenses during the period of your vacation. For example, expenses, your household expenses, school fees for your children. Yes, the schools are not open, online teaching is going on, but in spite of that, in my place we have to pay the fees. So the fees for your school children. In next 6 months, if any policy premium needs to be renewed, so that also you have to add here. Expenses for your car, vehicle insurance, medical expenses for your parents or for your family. And one more important buffer expense you have to consider is a corona medical expense. Now guys, if your family is covered by a health insurance plan, this buffer can be reduced, and if you don't have a family medical health insurance plan, then guys this has to be exponentially high, this buffer, because see, I'm not saying that something bad will happen to us, but we need to be prepared. A skilled sailor does not take his anchor lashings when there is rough weather, he does it well before that. So that is how we are taught as a seafarers to be prepared for rough weather always. So we should always hope for the best but be prepared for the worst. That is how we are brought up, and we should use same when we do the financial planning at home. Guys, point number 4. Now you have your income, now you have your expenses, you subtract the expense from the income and this figure should be positive. If this is not positive, then you have to either reduce your expenses or you have to reduce your vacations. There is no other way. So if this is positive, you are good and you will be able to enjoy your vacations nicely, properly and safely with your family. Guys, point number 5. If this figure after subtracting your expense from the income is very high, I mean if you have a good amount of corpus in your bank after deducting the expenses, My advice would be for this vacation, don't go into big investments. Don't go into booking any new property or buying a new vehicle, although vehicle is not an investment. But don't go into major expenses. That is what I mean to say. If you have a decent money after your expenses in your account, keep it for now, because we don't know the situation. Everyone is trying to bring out the vaccine. If it comes out, it's very good, well and good, but if it does not come out, then what next? So nobody is aware, or nobody can guarantee you anything about the future, about the near future. So if you have money in your account, keep it like that, keep it safe, and keep it in such a way that you might be able to use it whenever you need it. Guys, point number 6, keep your documents, certificates up to date. Don't wait for the last moment of your vacation and run here and there, because during Corona, the institutes are closed, online coaching is being carried out, and DG Shipping is coming out with circulars, new circulars every month. So you don't know when you are about to join the ship what is the circular. Maybe your certificate or document which is about to expire is not considered as extended. So guys, after taking your initial break, you start preparing for your documents, the documents which are required for your next assignment on board. That way you will not waste your time, and that way you will also get more quality time with your family. Guys, the last point which I am discussing today, point number 8, is not directly related to financial planning, but now since you have signed off and your quarantine period is over, guys, I request you to be responsible. If you're going out, follow all the proper guidelines of the government. Use your PPE, sanitize your hands, because you are young, you have signed off from a vessel, nothing will happen to you. But remember guys, you have family at home, so you might have that desire, that cravings to go out with friends, roam around, do stuff which we are not able to do on board. So guys, we do that, we enjoy that, and we might come back home with an infection. And you have your family at home, you might have your old parents at home, so you don't want to unnecessarily create a problem. They were good till now, but don't make them bad because of you coming home. So guys, this is one small humble request. We have to be responsible, we have to be accountable, and in this way we will be really able to enjoy our vacations very properly, nicely, and with a good control over our finance. So guys, that's it for now. Let me know your comments, let me know if any other points which I might have missed out, and stay tuned to my channel. Thanks for your love guys and respect all the time. This is Shipmate Nawaf Qazi signing off. See you again with a new video. Bye bye for now.